solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube beginner method. So let's start. Before showing you how to solve a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube, I am going to show you some basic notations so you can solve the 3 by 3 cube easily. So now I am gonna shuffle this cube and show you how to solve this cube. So our cube is shuffled, as you can see. So you should solve this cube systematically. How? First you need to solve the first layer, then second layer, then third layer. In first layer, the first layer is divided into two parts. First make a plus over here, then solve the corner pieces. And in third layer also, first we need to make a plus over here and solve the corner pieces and edge pieces. So let's start. To make a plus sign over here, we need to find white color pieces. So there is a white color piece. So I am going to keep it like this, so it matches the centerpiece, this color and this color. So I am finding another piece. It's over here. Let's keep it over here. So first it was like this. You should keep like this. It would be like here, and this would match, and this would also match. So another piece. It's all matched, so this is also matched, so over. So we made a plus sign. You should not care about this piece. So let's solve the corner pieces now. Find a corner piece with white color. It's over here. So now you should match this color with this color. You match this color with this color and this color with this color. So how could we do that is here. This is matched with this piece. This is matched with this piece. So this piece will come here. So how to keep it? Only you take it to here, then down, then now you can see that one corner piece is fixed in its place. Same as second one. This is matched. Now for the left it is opposite. This is matched and this should be matched. So next is a second also. Then third piece is over here. And the fourth. So we need to fix this piece over here. This is matched. So you can see our first layer is solved. So for the second layer, you need to keep the cube upside down. So as you can see, our solved part is down. So let's solve this. First, we need to find a piece which is not matched to this. First, we need to find this edge piece. This is not an edge piece. It is not matched with this color at all. So this is over here. Now we should match this piece with this center piece. So it is matched, and this piece is the same color as this piece. So we need to rotate it opposite side. So first we need this. So its color is over here and it is here. So this piece is matched with this piece. So simply we need to do like this. And R, U prime, R prime. So we need to keep this piece over here. So simply, sorry. So simply you need to do this piece and our first piece is settled. Now find the second piece over here. It's over here. Orange is matched, blue is matched. So over, and the second piece is also, and the third one is over here. This is matched. This is matched. Simply you can see only this piece is left. Where is this? It's over here. So simply solve. Now as you can see our second layer is also solved. Now for the third layer part. First we need to make a plus sign. It's already made here as an L. You need to keep it like this. So this is the main part. So this is known as F R U R prime U prime F prime. So you can see we made a straight symbol. So you should keep it horizontally. So you should keep the algorithm twice. So F R U R prime U prime F prime. So you can see that we made a plus sign over here. There is another case like this. So in this case you get only a single centerpiece. So you need to use the same algorithm three times. So F R U R prime U prime F prime. We made this. So F R U R prime U prime R prime. So we made this. So F R U R prime U prime F prime. There is a simple algorithm for this. First, you need to keep your one matched side with in the right place and another matched side at the back. You can see. So use the algorithm. L prime U prime U L U L prime U prime L prime U L. So as you can see that then U. As you can see that all our pieces are matched. There is another case. In this case it would be like this. One matched piece would be here and another matched piece would be opposite. So you need to add the same algorithm twice. So let's see how to do that. Once and twice. You can see that these both pieces are matched. Now you can see that all our pieces are matched. Now let's move on to those corner pieces. First we need to find a corner piece which is matched like this. Or it could be like this. This should be matched here and here and here. And when we flip it like this, it should be matched. So let's keep it like this. Now keep that piece which is matched over the right side to our side, right and our side. So use this algorithm. L prime U R U prime L U R prime U. So you need to find that you need to do it again if you can't find any pieces are matched. So next time. Now you can see at one time it could be solved. Once it should not be solved. So I'll show you again. There is another case like this. When you use that algorithm, be solved. So you need to see the complete video. So here if one piece matched and the other side thing is matched. So you need to use the algorithm another time. No match. As you can see, sometimes it would be like this. This is matched, this is completely matched. This is, if you flip it, it would be matched. If you flip it, it would be matched. So you should not flip it. You should do like this. There is an algorithm. R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So L prime, U, U2, L, U2, sorry, U, L, U, L. So as you can see, our cube is completely solved. So there is another case I would show you. So this is the case. This piece is matched, this piece is matched, but these are not. You should use the algorithm again. So as you can see, this is only matched and this is matched. So use it again till all pieces are matched. Finally, this piece is matched, this is 2, this 2 and this 2. So you can see our all corner pieces are matched. Now we need to arrange it in the perfect place. Sorry, same way. So we need to use that algorithm. L prime, U2, L, U, L prime, U, L. Now for this side, R, U, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. So you can see that this is matched and this is not. So we need to keep the cube like this, pull the cube like this, then use this side also. L prime, U2, L, U, L prime, U, L prime, and R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime. So finally our cube is solved, as you can see. This is the easiest way to solve a cube. Thanks for watching.